Welcome to the Wiwiurka Moon Stroller assembly video. You will need a Phillips screwdriver or power drill and wood glue. Welcome to the Moon Stroller assembly video. Wiwiurka came up with a gorgeous moon stroller design and I'm excited to assemble it for my daughter's birthday. So I'm going to show you guys how to assemble it, first by unraveling the packaging. All of Wiwiurka's toys come so well packaged and protected, and I love that. So you'll want to keep the packaging on your hard floor surface to protect both the stroller and your flooring when assembling. Included in the box are the two-piece moon frame, 6 dowels, four wheels, and the canvas seat. So you can iron this on like a low heat to get all the wrinkles out before assembling onto the stroller. Okay, so now that we've drilled in all 4 of the shortest dowels, the other 2 dowels, which are longer, will be for the wheels. Now that we've installed them about halfway, we're going to grab the second moon piece. Once that part is done, I'm going to flip it over and complete the wheels. Now there are 2 sides to the wheels, one with the hole for the dowel and the other for the screw. So you're going to line it up on the dowel. Now here. All of the screws. You're going to take some wood glue and fill the screw holes, a little bit of carpenter glue. And the wood caps. Now that we've assembled the stroller, we can attach the canvas seat. Thank you for watching the Wiwiurka Moon Stroller assembly video. If you have any questions or need support, please email us at hello@wiwiurka.com.